had 8 kills.
Shut the fuck up! I have the grenade launcher. I make the rules. Right now, it's least kills wins. I'm so pathetic.
Yes. Yes, you are. I'm sorry.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
Hey. You wanna be like that on the finale?
Nah. What are you talking about? What was I doing? What could I possibly do wrong here?
Your mom.
That.
Yes.
Give up now. Much better now. We are wiping the floor with you.
Okay.
Stick it up your ass.
Alright.
Okay. I crowbarred her boobs open.
Coach's taunts aren't really taunts. I'm back to those.
There's a storm coming.
Time for grenade launch. Whoa! It looked like a hunter just jumped the entire over us.
It was a hunter / tank.
No, I mean like he started at one horizon and went to the other.
I left.
That's what it looked like.
Just to screw with them.
God damn it! Oh, there's a ladder right there. Ugh.
Ammo up. Then let's get it done.
Reloading.
Come on, Virgin.
Let's go on top, guys.
I agree. We should all be going on top.
How to save your friends from jockeys? High explosives.
Or just go on top.
Well, you couldn't go on top if you were being jockeyed.
The jockey's on top.
Oh shit!
Reloading.
You can be on top of the jockey. Freeway, bro.
It's not gay.
If it's in a keyway. With a low way in the middle, there's some leeway.
This is like Army of Two, you guys!
Except for there's 4 of us.
No, Rochelle's not here. Fuck her.
Okay. With a rake.
With a crowbar.
I'd hit that with a sledge. Oh, what the fuck! It wasn't that bad a joke, I swear!
Oh, tank.
Where is he?
I don't know, he's dropping nuclear bombs, though.
There he is. Nuclear? Did you just say nuclear?
Are you
Yep,
He's
really?
climbing up. He's up.
He fucking fell. You didn't see that happen, you guys. I swear to God. Are we playing on normal or easy? Shit.
Normal.
Normal.
Uh-oh, frame rate's dipping. We better win quick.
You're an idiot.
Yes, sir, I am, sir. God damn it, motherfucker.
Oh no! Oh no, I'm out of disk space. It's still recording, but it's like skipping and everything. Oh no. Protect me, you guys! Okay, it's fine now. This
No.
is it.
Off my pedestal.
You dick! You should be protecting me in my time of technological weakness.
We'll keep on fighting to the end. Dun, 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 dun. We are the champions. We are the champions.
God damn it! We're kicking more ass than a boot in an ass factory. What the fuck? Nick, as a doctor, you're supposed to be not completely retarded.
We ready? We ready?
I can't.
Oh.
Seriously. Hey, can y'all cover me? I gotta heal.
Oh, nice.
What happened to knee pad? Did he like die or something? I don't
No,
know.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm just. I was running at 5 frames per second that whole
Where's
tank
Mr. Fat
fight.
Cap? Oh, there.
Alert.
Whatever.
Which way's the way out? This
That way.
way's the way out.
Remember how the tank hit me that one time? That's fucking
Yes! I screenshot that. At the very end of this, I will show that. I will show that. I screenshotted that. Virgil! Oh, what the shit? Fuck. Where's Rochelle?
I'm floating again. Oh, it's cool.
Yes! We succeeded!
Huzzah! Huzzah!
Except for Rochelle, because no one gives a fuck about Rochelle. Squall start! Squall? Is that what they're called? I thought they were like monsoons.
So did I.
Whatever. Let me look up. Let me look up that screenshot. Let me go to my screenshots. Yeah, dude, the fucking thing had just come, and a tank knocked Seahorse, and he landed like on the edge. You could. I'm showing this to the recording right now. The tank knocked him, and he landed like he flew. I watched. He flew past the fucking boat and just kind of stood there in thin air, and it was the greatest fucking thing. And I even added the caption, "God damn Ellis and those cat-like reflexes of his." That was the best fucking thing ever, man. That whole thing was the best. I'm glad we got this recorded.
Oh my god.
1,077 zombies were harmed.
It's pretty good.
Then no,
Remember
there needs
Rochelle.
to be more. Fuck Rochelle. She a bitch. Vote to
Alright.
skip. That's
I'm
it?
gonna go to bed.
Ah, you
That's fucking
faggot.
awesome.
You faggot. We should go play more Dominion.
See you guys.
I need
Peace.
to like rest my lungs for a bit.
Yeah, I don't blame you, man.